Fund fees are one of the easiest things to overlook in a portfolio, but they can take a huge bite out of your returns over the long run if you're not careful. They're usually small percentages. You never get a bill for them, and because they're deducted inside the fund, many investors don't know exactly what they're paying. That's why Mezzi tracks them for you. Head to the Insights tab and scroll down to the Fund Fees section. Right away, you'll see your annual fund costs. Tap in for the full breakdown. For this portfolio, total fund fees come to about $500+ per year, with a weighted average expense ratio of 0.9%. At first glance, that may seem pretty reasonable, but the goal isn't just knowing the total number, it's understanding where those costs are coming from. Mezzi breaks down every fund in the portfolio. You can see familiar funds like SPY at 0.09% and QQQ at 0.18%. For example, QQQM tracks the same index as QQQ at a lower cost. But you can also quickly spot higher cost holdings. Here, SOXL, a leveraged semiconductor ETF, has an expense ratio of 0.75%. And HACK, a cybersecurity ETF, comes in at 0.60%. For each fund, Mezzi shows how much you have invested, how much you're paying in annual expenses, and whether lower-cost alternatives are available. Tap further to find alternatives. A next logical question: what are the tax implications of switching out of these funds? Just type in AI chat. What's my tax hit if I swap QQQ for QQQM? In this example, Mezzi's research assistant reviewed the user's actual holdings and determined that all of their QQQ shares were held in tax-advantaged accounts, including Roth IRAs and a custodial account. Because trades within those accounts generally don't trigger capital gains taxes, it explained that switching from QQU to QQM would not create a federal or state tax bill. Or simply tap the sparkle icon. Mezzi will analyze your holdings, identify the funds contributing most to your expenses, estimate potential savings, and explain the alternatives, all in plain English. Because understanding what you own is important. Understanding what you're paying for it is just as important.